Welcome friends. In this video module, we will talk about Introduction to Data Structures. Now let us see some common terms. Data structure usually refers to an organization for data in main memory. A computer program is an instance or concrete representation for an algorithm in some programming language. An algorithm is an effective method expressed as a finite list of well-defined instructions for calculating a function. Data structures are very essential part of code development. Now, why data structures are needed? Data structures organize data and so we get more efficient programs. We can have more powerful computers which have more complex applications. More complex applications demand more calculations. Complex computing tasks are unlike our everyday experience. Hence, data structures is must. Organizing data. Any organization for a collection of records can be searched, processed in any order, or modified. The choice of data structure and algorithm can make the difference between a program running in a few seconds or many days. Now let us talk about efficiency of data structures. A solution is said to be efficient if it solves the problem within its resource constraints. That is, a solution is said to be efficient if it solves space constraint and it solves time constraint. The cost of a solution is the amount of resources that the solution consumes. Now let us see how to select a data structure. For selecting a data structure, following are the steps. Number 1. Analyze the problem to determine the resource constraints a solution must meet. Number 2. Determine the basic operations that must be supported. Quantify the resource constraints for each operation. Number 3. Select the data structure that best meets these requirements. Now let us see the algorithm properties. An algorithm possesses the following properties. It must be correct. It must be composed of a series of concrete steps. There can be no ambiguity as to which step will be performed next. It must be composed of a finite number of steps. And it must terminate. So here we have seen the basics of algorithm and data structures. In the next tutorial, we will talk about the algorithm conventions. Thank you for watching the tutorial.